Hey everybody, this is Mark with Panoptic Photography. I am so excited for what I'm about to show you. Man, I finally found a camera bag that solves a problem that I have had for years. Man, if you're like me, I'm sure you have more than one camera bag. And for the last year or so, I've been working with this Think Tank First Light 35-liter backpack, and I love it. It actually holds everything I need it to hold, and it's got all the features and things that I love. So it doesn't matter if I'm gonna go off trail somewhere and I'm gonna hike to the top of the hill and take some photos, or if I'm, going to the park and trying to shoot senior portraits, it seems to fit the bill for me. But there's a big but. There's a lot of times where I'll run into an area to where I might have this packed down with gear, and I've got gravel or a nice asphalt road or concrete, or maybe on the hallways of a venue. And then there's times where I wish this thing was a roller bag because I kind of get tired of carrying it around. That's why, man, I love my Think Tank Airporter. This thing has gone around the world with me, but one of the issues with the roller bag is there's times when I hit the end of the road and it turns to dirt. I go with a customer and we run into a trail somewhere, and now guess what I'm doing? I'm carrying my roller bag. I am so excited for what I'm about ready to show you. All right, here it is. Think Tank finally made a backpack for people just like you and me. It is the Walker Pro rolling backpack. This thing is the best of both worlds. It holds the same amount of gear that my First Light holds. It holds the same amount of gear that my rolling backpack holds. The difference is, when you look at this pack, you're gonna notice it's a rolling backpack, but you're not seeing any straps. That's because the straps, they're tucked away and they're hidden inside, so that when I hit the end of the road, I don't have to roll my backpack or my bag anymore. I can actually throw it on my shoulder, and I actually can now carry my backpack. So here's the perfect spot for this backpack. So right now I got quite a ways where I need to walk in to get to where I'm gonna photograph, but I can pull out the handle, and this is a roller bag taking me all the way into the park. And then when I get into the spot where there's no more trail, I can throw it on as a backpack. All right, perfect example right here. I have hit the end of the road. I can close up that. I can open up the back, pull out the back straps, and now I got a backpack. All right, so you can see best of both worlds. I have a rolling pack and a backpack. Best part is the fact that I can still hold everything that I need to carry. Now this bag's loaded down. It's exactly what I carry in my roller bag. It's exactly what I carry in my 36-liter front light bag. Everything that fits in those two backpacks and roller bag will fit in this Walker Pro roller backpack. Wow.